Hey everybody, Douglas here from Rev Rides, and today we're going to show you how to change the brake pads on your VSETT 9 or 9 Plus. Let's get to it. For repair today, you will need a pair of pliers to remove the brake pads. You will need a 5mm Allen key to remove your brake caliper. It is helpful to have a magnetic dish to hold your screws. If not, a cup works as well. Lastly, you will need brake pads to replace the ones that are currently in your scooter. Now we'll grab our 5mm Allen key and dish to put the screws in and remove the caliper. So we're going to start by removing the caliper screws and then pulling the caliper off of the rotor. Next, you'll need your pliers and your new brake pads to replace the current brake pads that are in your scooter. Now with your new brake pads, make sure there's a yellow backing going to the back, tab up, drop it in. You can use your pliers to make it flush. Should clip in there magnetically. And then now time for your next one. Now slide that in. And it should also pop into place. Now using your 5mm Allen key, attach the caliper back to the scooter. Slide it into place. Grab your screws, be sure that the washer is still on here. Slide through and get started with your fingers. Once both are started, then you can use your 5mm Allen key to tighten them both evenly to ensure we're not bending metal or tightening it crooked. Now you know how to change the brake pads on your VSETT 9 or 9 Plus. Make sure to like and subscribe for more riding and repair videos, and come ride with us.